beauty?
No, hindi yan. Yes, mag-Suave hair dressing and conditioner araw-araw. Sa small amount, buhok ay mas malambot, mas makintab, instantly manageable. Kaya, from sex kitten to fuzzy cat, celebrity look ka in just minutes. Ganda! See, you can teach young ladies old tricks.
Suave, bilis lambot kintab, bilis celebrity look.
Why are so many people using Close-Up?
Nothing cleans like it.
It's got whiteners. Millions of them.
My teeth are clean.
Linis. Sarap sa bibig, di ba?
Close-Up's got mouthwash.
When you're close to someone, dapat may fresh breath ka.
It's got everything. It's got fluoride. My dentist says fluoride is great for teeth.
Para di magkasira ang ipin. Bye.
Ha? Siyempre fan pag may sira ang ngipin. Why close up? Because it's more than a fluoride toothpaste.
It's got everything.
It's complete.
Close-Up for strong, white teeth, freshest breath.
I saw your shiny white smile, so I'm making a U-turn. You bring the sunshine to my life if you smile for me. Your smile, it turns the world around.
Close-Up has millions of micro-whiteners for strong, shiny white teeth and real mouthwash for freshest fresh breath.
Saw you smile again, so I'm making a U-turn. So come on, let's get closer with Close-Up confidence.
Close-Up for strong, shiny white teeth, freshest fresh breath.
Moments this tense can make a woman nervous.
Pinagpawisan ako ng malamig.
And nervous sweat can make her feel even more uncomfortable. But she used new Rexona Extra Dry Confidence. It's specially made for a woman. Let's test its maximum wetness control. In this hot room, she stays dry, comfortably dry. And with Deosterol Max, she gets longer-lasting deodorant protection.
Extra dryness, comfort and confidence. Rexona won't let you down.
Anong powder ang totoong magaling sa matinding mansya? Kayo ang maghusga. Mansya ng putik? Matindi daw to. Tignan, sa tubig pa lang, natatanggal na. Eh di hindi totoong matindi. Sa paghusga ng powder na magaling sa matinding mansya, dapat sa magrasang mansya. Nanuyo na, nanuot at nanikit pa. Lalabhan sa isang leading brand at sa Breeze Power. Resulta, sa leading brand,
May mancha pa.
sa Breeze Power,
Wala naman siya.
Dahil ang mas pinabisang Breeze Power ay may new generation anti-stain system. Kaya kahit nanuyong mancha, tanggal sa unang laba.
sa resulta nakikita. Kayo ang maghusga.
Breeze Power, tanggal ang matitinding mancha kahit nanuyo na sa unang laba.
Mula sa surf, wais na binsi.
Lumen!
Piyanan ko.
Hoy! Dadalaw pa lang ninang yung Donya. Sana yun sa mamahalin. Ano naman ang handa mo?
Iskabeche, Nay.
Yan! Lapo-lapo!
Nay, dalagang bukid sa iskabeche. Kasing sarap, pero di kasing mahal.
Eh ang mantel mo.
Siguradong malinis. Labas sa surf eh.
Dahil ang labas sa surf, walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng mas mamahaling bareta.
Ninang!
Naku naman! Siyempre! Para sa mari kong Donya! Napansin ko, Lumen. Magsing-linis tayo sa bahay. Si Lumen, marunong talaga yan sa buhay. Why?
At para sa marunong, serve sa linis at halaga, wais bilhin talaga.
I want my hair to be always beautiful, so I use Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo every day. But it didn't just stay beautiful, it got even better.
Sunsilk Science blended nature's nutrients into the Nutrilife complex. With every use, hair is nourished.
I didn't realize how great it looked until
I've waited so long to do this.
never too late.
Buhok ay paganda ng paganda with Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
Ang mga shampoo sachet, mukhang pare-pareho lang ang dami ng laman. Pero ang Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo, 9 ml, 20% more. Kaya't sa paramihan ng laman, ito lang ang may mukhang ihaharap. Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
Picture perfect.
That's what they called my hair in photo class, thanks to Sunsilk.
Sunsilk developed Fruitamins and blended it with the Nutrilife complex in the new Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo. Sunsilk nourishes the hair and makes it even stronger.
It got better when I took news photos. It got even better when I had my own studio. It just keeps getting better.
New Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo with Fruitamins for stronger hair that grows more and more beautiful. From Unilever. Fruits are rich with nutrients. Now captured by Sunsilk Science, developed into Fruitamins, and blended with the Nutrilife complex in the new Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
Whatever use, my hair is nourished. And it even got stronger. It looked great when I started photography, and still got better when I opened my studio. It just keeps getting better.
New Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo with Fruitamins for stronger hair that grows more and more beautiful. From Unilever.
Bye! He's gone!
Hassle tong patago-tago. Ba't ikaw walang pimples?
Ta-da!
Bago? From Pond's.
Wow! Beads!
New Pond's Facial Scrub with very fine micro scrubs. It helps unclog pores and has Bactistat, which fights bacteria.
It helps keep my skin clear. Kaya no need to... Hide!
For beautifully clear skin, New Pond's Antibacterial Facial Scrub from Unilever.
Lumen! Lianan ko. Maputla ka. Pa-check up ka kay doktora.
Bukas nga, Nay.
Dalhan mo ng orange.
Dalandan, Nay. Sing sustansya, pero di sing mahal.
Eh, ang suot mo.
Please ang puti, Nay.
Sa puti, maselan si doktora.
Aba, ang puti ko, lalabhan ko sa surf.
Dahil ang labas sa surf, walang makikitang pagkakaiba, itabi man sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Doktora.
Lumen, magsing sustansya tayong pumili ng prutas. At magsing runong mag-alaga ng puti.
Marunong yan sa buhay. Wais!
Dora, resulta po. Eh, mag-alaga ng baby. Marunong ka?
Para sa marunong, sir, wais bilhin talaga.
Lola, Oba. Ang cute!
Misis, iba kang mag-alaga. Di lang kape, may pa-sweet pa. May review habang inaayusan, laro at laba, sabay na yan. Dahil ikaw ay ganito, aba, bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner ang para sa'yo. Habang dumi inuubos, bumabalot ang fabric conditioner para sa lambot at bangong lubos. 2-in-1 kang mag-alaga, kaya mahal ka nila ng sobra. Bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner. Extra alaga sa parehong halaga. Mula sa Unilever. Kaputian. Yan lang ang kayang ibigay ng ibang bareta. Pero ngayon, sa bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner, sa parehong halaga, damit ay hindi lang tagus-tagusan sa puti. Nababalot pa ito ng kakaibang lambot at bango. Natatanging kaputian, lambot at bango. Natulot ay paglalambing na kailan may hindi nabibili. At meron pa bang mas mahalaga sa'yo? Bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner. Extra alaga sa parehong halaga. Mula sa Unilever. Kaputian. Yan lang ang kayang ibigay ng ibang bareta. Pero ngayon, sa bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner, sa parehong halaga, damit ay hindi lang tagus-tagusan sa puti. Nababalot pa ito ng kakaibang lambot at bango. Natatanging kaputian, lambot at bango. Natulot ay paglalambing na kailan may hindi nabibili. At meron pa bang mas mahalaga sa'yo? Bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner. Extra alaga sa parehong halaga. Mula sa Unilever. Ipinakikilala, bagong Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner. Ngayon, damit ay hindi lang maputi. Nababalot pa ito ng kakaibang lambot at bango. Sunlight with Fabric Conditioner. Extra alaga sa parehong halaga.
Meet Kay, the model, in her stylish cut. Lara, the artist, with her soft, wavy curls. Janice, the preschool teacher, and her long, straight hair. And Anna, the athlete, wash and wear lang. Different hair types, different shampoos. Yet they all use new Cream Silk with more protein. While shampoos mainly clean hair, Cream Silk's 100% conditioning leaves just the right amount of protein where your hair needs it most, giving you super soft, super smooth, super beautiful hair na di kaya ng shampoo lang. Apat na super ganda, iisa lang ang resulta. New Cream Silk for super beautiful hair from Unilever.
Beautiful, but it can still get better. Keep practicing.
I know it can get better, pag tinuloy-tuloy.
Parang Sunsilk. Beautiful hair is only the beginning. Pag tinuloy-tuloy with regular nourishment, Sunsilk with Fruitamins in the Nutrilife complex makes hair grow more and more beautiful. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ganun kasimple.
Buhok na paganda ng paganda with Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo from Unilever.
Dr. Eric Tayag, Infectious Disease Specialist. Kahit ang bahay ay mukhang malinis, mag-ingat. Pwede pa rin itong panggalingan ng sakit. Dahil may mga germs na kumakalat. Germs na nagmumula sa araw-araw na gawain. Tulad ng paghahanda ng manok. Manok na maaaring panggalingan ng salmonella. Isa sa pangunahing sanhi ng food poisoning na dulot ay pagsusuka at diarrhea. Sa pagluluto ng manok, namamatay ang salmonella. Ngunit, maaaring nagumpisa na itong kumalat habang hinahanda mong manok. Patutunayan natin. Gumamit kami ng fluorescent dye to represent germs. Sa ganitong ilaw, kita ang dye. Masdan ang mangyayari. Sa karaniwang ilaw, mukhang malinis lahat. Hindi alam ni Mrs. na habang hinahanda niya ang manok, ang germs ay kumakalat na. Napunta na sa kamay. At paglipat ng manok, pati sa tiles at sa iba pang lugar. At kinalat pa ng basahang pinampunas nito. Hindi alam ni Mrs. nilalagay ang anak sa peligro. Kaya sa paglinis ng bahay, hindi sapat ang pagtanggal lang ng duming nakikita. Siguraduhin tanggal din ang germs.
Kaya maglinis ng walang duda. Domex All-Around Home Cleaner. Mabisang magtanggal ng naipong dumi sa lahat ng sulok ng bahay. And kills all known germs na di kaya ng sabong panglaba. Sa Domex, tanggal ang dumit mikrobyo. Yan ang linis na walang kaduda-duda. Kaya protektado ng pamilya. Panatag pa ang loob mo. Germwash, a health protection tip brought to you by Domex All-Around Home Cleaner. Walang dumi, walang germs, walang duda. Endorsed by the Philippine Public Health Association from Unilever.
Si Carol, ibang ganda ng buhok. Pati si Tracy, mana sa mami, ang buhok kay sigla.
Abay, tila mas healthy kaysa sa buhok nila dati.
Dahil dati, sun and heat stripped their hair of its natural protection. But now, Carol uses new amino collagen shampoo from Vaseline. Vaseline research has discovered the active carrying of amino collagen na kumakalinga sa buhok para ibalik ang natural protection nito. Hair so soft, it glows beautifully with health. Protektado pa sa amoy araw at pawis, kaya buhok ay amoy bagong shampoo all day.
Sagana sa kalinga ang pamilya ni Carol. Ganda ng kalinga!
New amino collagen shampoo from Vaseline. Feel the glow of healthy hair. From Unilever.
As a kid, I used to climb trees. Not anymore.
This is Ginny, wall climber.
I used to worry about staying fresh. Not anymore.
She switched to the expert, Rexona Extra Dry, the stick that doesn't stick. Rexona goes beyond stopping germs and keeping you dry. It's the only one with Deostral Max. That's 24-hour protection, 100% confidence.
I used to think boys were yucky. Not anymore.
Rexona, it won't let you down. From Unilever.
Pure freshness for cottons and skin. Pure softness for lace and skin. Pure kindness for delicates and skin. Get pure care with new Comfort Pure, a lightly fragrant fabric conditioner that's dermatologically tested, so it's mild and gentle on clothes and skin. Comfort Pure, care that shows.
Tulong ko, kailangan mo, kaya sulong!
Tulong gusto mo?
Close Up. It's got real mouthwash for the freshest breath. Let's get closer with Close Up confidence. Tulong!
So why do you use Close Up?
It has fluoride, makes my teeth strong. Kailangan strong ang teeth.
Gusto ko yung amoy bagong close-up. Hindi yung amoy bagong gising. The micro whiteners make my teeth really white.
The sensation is all over my mouth. Flavor, intense.
It's got everything that I need. It's PDA approved pa.
PDA? Hindi ba public display of affection yan?
Hindi. Philippine Dental Association. Lagi siyang cool. I love it.
Why do you choose Close Up?
It cleans away germs.
It's a toothpaste with real mouthwash.
Siguradong fresh breath. Mas malakas ang loob mo pag nagka-close up ka.
The micro whiteners make my teeth really white. You just know, ang ngiti pa lang, alam mo na nagka-close up. It's a real intense flavor in my mouth.
Yun ang takaw halik.
For me, it's complete. My teeth look clean, they feel clean, they even taste clean. Close up rules!
Close Up for fresh breath confidence from Unilever. Why do you choose Close Up?
It cleans away germs. That minty taste in your mouth, that's the mouthwash.
And the sensation is all over my mouth. Siguradong fresh breath.
Close Up for fresh breath confidence.
Choose the wrong shampoo, you can get dandruff. Changing to a dandruff shampoo may cause dryness. Stop switching shampoos. Use only Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care. With vitamin E, keeps hair dandruff-free, while Neutralife Complex nourishes hair. Dandruff-free hair grows more and more beautiful.
My best move was to stay only with Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care.
From Unilever.
With that first rose, I knew life would get better.
Because he loves you and your beautiful hair. Thanks to Sunsilk. The same nutrients that make nature flourish are found in Sunsilk with Fruitamins in the Neutralife Complex. Hair is nourished and grows more and more beautiful.
And I believe it will still get better. I do.
Buhok na paganda ng paganda. Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo from Unilever.
Kung may duda sa labas ng bahay, dapat wala na sa loob. Kung may duda sa labas, dapat wala na sa loob. Kasi kung may duda sa labas at may duda sa loob, saan pang banyo protektado ang pamilya mo? Dapat ang loob ng bahay mo, i-Domex mo. Di tulad ng sabon at tubig, tinutunaw ng Domex ang duming nanikit na. Sa konting pahid, tapos ang duming di kaya ng sabong panglaba. Ang germs, patay na. Kaya ang pamilya, protektado. Walang duda.
Mommy!
Kaduda-duda man sa labas,
Next time maglaka!
palagay ang iyong loob. Domex, walang dumi, walang germs, walang duda. Mula sa Unilever.
Bilang 9 to 5 ang trabaho ko, kaya protection ko dapat long-lasting din.
Pia Guanyo and Captain Joe trust the expert.
Rexona never let me down.
That's because Rexona stops germs, keeps you dry, and keeps on working against body odor. Whatever the cause, only Rexona has the Austral Max. That's 24-hour protection, 100% confidence.
Even if I get tied up at night.
Rexona, it won't let you down. From Unilever.
Kung may duda sa labas ng bahay, dapat wala na sa loob. Kung may duda sa labas, dapat wala na sa loob. Kasi kung may duda sa labas at may duda sa loob, saan pang kainan protektado ang pamilya mo?
Tom Jones na ako.
Dapat ang loob ng bahay mo, i-Domex mo. Di tulad ng sabon at tubig, tinutunaw ng Domex ang duming nanikit na. Sa konting pahid, tapos ang duming di kaya ng sabong panglaba. Ang germs, patay na. Kaya ang pamilya, protektado. Walang duda. Kaduda-duda man sa labas, palagay ang iyong loob. Domex, walang dumi, walang germs, walang duda. Mula sa Unilever.
Ay, yan ang gusto niyang shirt.
Takot ako sa monsters. Bango. O, dali-dali, ayan na. Smile.
Ready 1, 2, 3.
Oh, mga bugoy, smile.
Only Comfort has Fiber Protect para hindi maghimulmol at lumipis ang damit.
Oh, nasa ang favorite shirt mo?
So they can last as long as memories or even longer.
Ang ibang mas mahal na powder at ang surf powder. Maliwanag ba ang pagkakaiba? Hindi! Dahil ang kaibahan, wala sa linis, nasa presyo.
Surf powder. Wise bilhin talaga. Ang sungit ng panahon. Parang ikaw.
Mangangati ka pag sinabon ang buhok. Matapang kasi, tinatanggal ang natural protection. Pero ang buhok ni Junior, healthy. Dahil gamit niya, new Vaseline Shampoo. May amino collagen na nagbabalik ng natural protection. So hair glows with health.
Wow, champion!
Champion ka kasi mag-alaga. New Vaseline Shampoo. Feel the glow of healthy hair.
From Unilever!
Sa pagkaing pampalinaw ng mata, imbis na carrots, kalabasa. Sing-inam, pero di sing mahal.
Ganon din sa paglalaba. Mag-Surf. Walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Para sa marunong, surf!
Sa high chair ng bata, imbis na gawa sa plastic, ratan. Sing komportable, pero di sing mahal.
Ganon din sa paglalaba. Mag-Surf. Walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Para sa marunong, surf!
Sa pagkain ng bata, imbis na mashed potato, mashed kamote. Sing sustansya, pero di sing mahal.
Ganon din sa paglalaba. Mag-Surf. Walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Para sa marunong, surf!
Sa vitamin C, imbis na orange juice, calamansi juice. Sing sustansya, pero di sing mahal.
Ganon din sa paglalaba. Mag-Surf. Walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta. Para sa marunong,
surf!
Naapari hanggang hulo. Mga misis na marunong, tinanong. Why is your choice?
Siguro mga 13 to 14 years ang gamit ko. Ngayon, sir, nakita ko mas mura. Sinubukan ko. Pareho din naman ng iba. Sa tagal ko naglalaba, alam ko yung kulay, makikita mo kung may difference. Yung amoy, walang pagkakaiba. Gusto nilang i-project sa tao na ang surf daw ay malaki lang, walang laman. Pero kung yung mas marami ang surf, mas mura. Hindi, konti na mahal pa. Kailangan sa tao maging practical. Gagawin ang lahat ng pagtitipid na hindi mo naman isa-sacrifice yung quality na dapat matanggap ng pamilya mo.
Dahil wise you see is wise you get. Why is you waiting for? Mag-Surf. Mula sa Unilever. Mula apari hanggang hulo, mga misis na marunong, tinanong. Why is your choice?
Nung nakita ko si Lola Obang, parang pareho sila ng biyanan ko. Mutikulosa, lalong-lalo na sa loob ng bahay. Minsan, sabi niya sa akin, yung asawa ko, sabi ni Mama, kung pwede daw, pakilaban mo daw yung kortina. Medyo cream-cream na yung kulay ng
Anong
curtain.
pinalaba mo?
Surf. Ayun ang ginagamit ko talaga. Tapos, pag uwi ni biyanan, kita niya yung kortina, sabi niya, ganda! Ayaw ko palang mapa-impress ang biyanan ko. Tanong lang niya sa akin, bakit surf ang ginagamit mo? Kasi sa surf, nakaka-save ako. Pareho lang ng performance nung ginagamit mo. Sa amin, sa mga misis number 1 na ang surf. Sa aming mga misis na katulad kong wise.
Dahil wise you see is wise you get. Why is you waiting for? Mag-Surf. Mula sa Unilever.
They said I have grace. That was just the beginning.
Beautiful hair begins with Sunsilk, with the same nutrients that make nature flourish, and Neutralife Complex plus Fruitamins, so hair is nourished. With continued use, hair grows more and more beautiful.
At the main event, everything flowed beautifully.
Buhok na paganda ng paganda. Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo from Unilever.
Nay,
Papunta dito!
sino?
Ang tati mong kasintahan!
Nagbalik bayan?
Ano ba niya, may asawa ka na?
Lando!
Claudia? Ang suot mo,
Regalo mo!
nasa iyo pa.
Ako mismo naglalaba.
Sa mahal na bareta,
Of course.
ito, labas sa surf.
Ang labas sa surf, walang makikitang pagkakaiba, itabi man sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Magsing gandang bestida. Pero, mas marunong kang magdala.
Ang misis ko, marunong to sa buhay.
Wais!
Para sa marunong,
Surf!
Lando, mapalad ka kay Lumen.
Good answer!
mula sa Unilever.
Susan? Josie! May asawa ka na? Pareho tayo! Nakakahiya, pati blouse natin pareho.
Sosyal naman ang linis. Laba din sa mamahaling powder yan, di ba?
Hindi!
Surf ang powder ko.
Sa linis, walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na powder.
Pero sulit, 5 pesos lang ang tatlong labahan. Kaya may extra budget. Para sa'yo.
Surf Powder mula sa Unilever.
Galante ka na, ha?
For whatever hair you wear, there is only one conditioner. Long hair, short hair, curly hair can be more than just healthy. It can be super beautiful with 100% Cream Silk conditioning. Only Cream Silk gives every hair type personalized conditioning for super soft, super manageable hair. Yan ang di kaya ng kahit anong shampoo lang. Don't settle for anything less. Use Cream Silk Conditioner. More than just healthy, super beautiful. From Unilever.
I'm throwing you a cool
the all-new germ-killing close-up, exploding with extra-active mouthwash. Germ-killing action that zaps up germs. Pamatay! The cleanest, coolest, freshest breath from close-up. New close-up kills germs. Without germs, you get killer fresh breath, killer close-up smile, killer close-up confidence. Killer confidence, only from all-new germ-killing close-up from Unilever.
It pays to be extra clean, and when it comes to deep cleaning, nothing beats Close-Up Crystal. You can feel the soft blue granules as they gently clean between teeth along the gum line, removing nasty dirt and plaque. That's better clean you can see and feel. Inspection! So when the world wants to get close, you're ready.
You get 10 points, Merit.
-2 for the lipstick. You're confidently cleaner with Close-Up Crystal from Unilever. Close-Up Confidence is fresh breath confidence with millions of micro whiteners for strong, shiny white teeth and real mouthwash for the freshest breath.
Move closer to me, yeah, that's right. Be with me a while longer and stay by my side.
Close-Up for strong, shiny white teeth, freshest fresh breath from Unilever.
Taong ito lalabas ang mga bagong kabataan. Balot sa grasa, tagtad ng tinta at puno ng putik. Posible lang dahil sa makabagong ina. At sa bago at pinakamatinding Breeze Power. Higit na pinalakas sa mga aktibong panlinis nito. Kaya ang pinakamatitinding mansyang di kaya ng iba, tanggal sa unang laba. Kaya ang makabagong ina, di takot sa mansya.
Nako, may mancha na naman. Pero, ang galing gumawa ng bahay.
Dahil kahit na mansyahan, may natutunan.
Mami, building po to.
Sorry po, architect.
Bagong advanced formula Breeze Power.
Mula sa Unilever.
Does your deodorant give 24-hour protection
And never-ending savings? Rexona does! Stick refill! Roll-on refill!
$34.95 lang. Save 8 pesos every time you buy.
Only from Rexona! Yeah!
Ano bago diyang kilumin? Ang ayos mas maganda. Ano bago diyang kay Lumen? Ang kilos mas may kumpiyansa. Ano bago diyang kay Lumen? May bago ng panlabas. Bagong Surf.
Ipinakikilala ang bagong Surf. Itabi sa ibang mas mahal na bareta. Ngayon, sing bilis bumula, sing daming malalaban, at sa linis may pagkakaiba ba?
Bagong Surf. Malayo nang narating. Parang si Lumen.
Sa akin, lakas ng dating. Mula sa Unilever.
Una pa lang, ramdam ko na.
Sunsilk dares you to feel the difference one use makes. In the new generation Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo with Neutralife Complex. Nature plus technology, now with millions of micro-enhanced nutrients. Sa una pa lang, hair is nourished evenly for unbelievably softer, silkier hair. Lambot ay ramdam kahit saan hawakan. Dito, dito, dito.
Dapat ulit-ulitin.
Lambot ay ramdam habang buhok ay paganda ng paganda. The new generation Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo from Unilever.
Galing sa tanggalan ng mantsa, magkakasubukan na. Sino ang kampyon sa kanila? Isiping ito ang iyong labada. May matinding mantsa ng tinta. Ang kampyon patutunayan. Walang gukurap. Ngayon, dahil meron ng Bleach at Advanced Anti-Stain System, matitinding mantsang di kaya ng iba, tanggal sa unang laba. Bagong Advanced Formula Breeze Power, ang kampyon sa tanggalan ng mantsa mula sa Unilever.
Anna, next applicant, please.
I'm ready for change. For something better.
She's discovered the new generation Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo with Neutralife Complex. Nature plus technology, now with millions of micro-enhanced nutrients. With every wash, hair is nourished evenly for unbelievably softer, sun-silkier hair. Lambot ay ramdam kahit saan hawakan. Dito, dito, dito.
Change is wonderful.
To'y ramdam, habang buhok ay paganda ng paganda. The new generation Sunsilk from Unilever.
How long will it take for your hair to go from dull to an extraordinary black? 10 days with Cream Silk Black Shine. When does your countdown begin? Has your black hair become dull and faded? To bring it back to a beautiful black, the equation is simple. Faded black hair plus Cream Silk Black Shine is equal to complete conditioning plus henna blackening in just 10 days. So you get hair that's extraordinarily black and beautiful, plus a little bit more, plus more. Extraordinary black hair, that's the Cream Silk guarantee from Unilever.
Kung ang skin nagda-dry, ang scalp nagda-dry din. Pwedeng mag-flakes.
Because the scalp is skin. Moisturize your scalp daily with Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care Shampoo. With vitamin E, the skin-caring vitamin na nabubuot sa scalp. Sunsilk moisturizes deeply, prevents dryness, controls dandruff. Beautiful hair.
Moisturize your scalp araw-araw.
Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care from Unilever.
May nutrients ba ang clear shampoo mo? O wala? Welcome to the difference of new Sunsilk Crystal. The crystal clear shampoo with nature's vital essences. Vitanutrium. Loads of rich nutrients in a clear formulation na nagbibigay sustansya sa buhok. Nourishes for visible fullness and body. Know what it feels like to have full-bodied, beautiful hair. Clearly nourished. New Sunsilk Crystal from Unilever.
Why do they choose Close-Up Crystal?
Why? Because it works. I've never felt this clean. Ibang klase ang linis kasi may soft blue granules.
It reaches in between teeth. Feel ko parang linis dentista.
It's PDA recommended.
I feel so clean. I'm ready to...
Ready to?
Are you clean enough to kiss?
Be clean enough to kiss with Close-Up Crystal from Unilever. Troubled by stubborn dirt between your teeth? Get really clean with Close-Up Crystal, the only one with soft glue granules. Cleans in between teeth and along the gum line, seeking out dirt and plaque. Smooth, crystal clean teeth you can see and feel. Close-Up Crystal from Unilever.
Ngayon, ang 24-hour protection ng Rexona nasa mini size na. New Rexona Mini Stick. Cute! Liit pa! Pati presyo, pinaliit din. 17 pesos lang. 24-hour protection in the world's first mini stick that lasts a long, long time. New Rexona Mini Stick. So liit.
Sulit!
From Unilever.
Talagang hiyang-hiya ako sobra. I was using tawas din. Tinatas ko yung hair ko. Parang ganun. Na-notice ko, there were two girls na kaya sila tumatawan. Punta akong bathroom. Pag-check ko, yun. Pawis. Bakit ko pa talaga ginamit yung tawas? Yung bagong product ng Rexona, yung mini stick. I tested it and it worked for me. Mula nung umaga, I had my finals na. I had my defense. I worked out na. Sabi ko ba, okay pa tong Rexona. Hindi pa ako binibigo. May nahanap na akong partner for me.
From Unilever.
Pauline, join ka! Yan! Lapad ka konti, Pauline! Closer! Ay! Ba't ka lumalayo? Dahil lagkit eh.
Sunsilk Revitalizing Clean. Para sa buhok na maganda, masigla, at walang lakit. Sunsilk Revitalizing Clean Shampoo from Unilever.
In just 4 weeks, all new Close-Up with super active micro whiteners. See the difference within 4 weeks. Teeth are whiter.
Then 28 days, in just 4 weeks, they all dare to wear white. Whiter teeth from all new Close-Up with super active micro whiteners. In 4 weeks, teeth are whiter, period. Fernando, mukhang bisor dito.
Mas mukhang bisor dito?
Ito, Nay.
Ito!
Ay! No return, no exchange. Pero may solusyon dyan. Mahal na powder. With bleach.
Okay lang ho. May bagong surf kami. With bleach.
New Surf with Bleach. Sa tanggalan ng matcha, siglinis ng ibang mas mahal na powder with bleach. New Surf with Bleach. How do I look?
You look awesome!
From Unilever.
Ngayon, sa Hintuturo lang, tanggal ang mancha at patutunayan yan sa Surf Turo-Turo Test! Maniniwala po ba kayo na kayang tanggalin ng Surf with Bleach ang manchaho ng tinta?
Nga, hindi natanggal.
Sa pamamagitan ng hula ng hintuturo lang. Tupo natin dyan. Imposible. Try natin. Tingnan natin. Yan, Mother. And? Anong nakikita nyo?
Magic ba yan o ano?
Sa tingin nyo, Mother?
Dapat pala nung pa nag-surf na ako.
Kayo, sana kayo ngayon! From Unit...
Parehong namantsahan, parehong lalaban sa powder with bleach. Ang isa, mahal. Yung isa, wais. Laban sa mantsa, parehong magaling. Pero,
Mas maganda! Mas wais!
New Surf with Bleach. Uy! Parehong namantsahan, parehong lalaban sa powder with bleach. Ang isa, mahal. Yung isa, wais. Laban sa mantsa, parehong magaling. Pero ang wais bilhin,
New Surf with Bleach. Morning! 10 putol ng bareta ko. 1 putol ng surf ko. Morning! 10 putol ng bareta ko. 1 putol ng surf ko. Morning! 10 putol ng bareta ko. 1 putol ng surf. Yung jumbo.
ang putol na may 40% more. New Surf Jumbo Cut. May panlaba ka na ngayon, may sobra ka pa para bukas. Kaya,
Morning!
maging wise na. Mag-New Surf Jumbo Cut from Unilever.
Lumen!
Nay, dito tayo.
Bagong lugar? Bagong buhay? Nakakapanibago?
Nay, di maiiwasan ang pagbabago. Kaya dapat makipagsabayan tayo. Tulad ng bagong surf.
Bagong Surf, bagong formula, bagong pizza. Kayang sabayan ang husay ng mas mahal na panlaba.
O Nay, makikipagsabayan ba tayo?
Follow the leader!
Mas pinagaling, mas wise bilhin talaga. Pinakabagong Surf mula sa Unilever.
During the day, hair gets dry and messy. Now there's a new kind of cream silk that can help when you need it most. New Cream Silk Leave-On Hair Moisturizer. It's an apply anywhere, no rinse conditioner with SPF proteins. Para sa buhok na sobrang dulas at lambot, anytime, anywhere. New Cream Silk Leave-On Hair Moisturizer from Unilever.
May strength, may confidence, in one delicious mix. We just love Close-Up Lemon Mint.
Okay ka na ba sa ayos ng buhok mo? Pag itali, may tumatakas. Pag clip, may silip. Kahit lugay, sablay. Now, there's a better way to fix your hair. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream. Ipahid lang sa towel-dried hair. Its Bioflex nutrients keep your hair naturally aligned, giving you that soft combed look. Kaya buhok ay walang sablay, parang laging bagong suklay. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream from Unilever.
Cool mint, luscious lemon. A surge of pure refreshment in the first lemon mint toothpaste from Close-Up.
The delicious taste of confidence.
All new Close-Up Lemon Mint.
May sarap na nananggan.
Matibay pa sa ngitian. We just love the powerful mix of Close-Up Lemon Mint. Nakakakilig na lemon.
Sobrang cool na mint.
We just love the delicious mix
of Close-Up Lemon Mint.
It's mouthwash while you brush. We just love the cool mix of Close-Up Lemon Mint.
Jay?
Ha?
Tawag mo na girlfriend mo?
Pare, kain na!
Trish? Hanggang ngayon pa ba? Pare pa rin ang tawag niyo sa'yo? Tita, mahirap nang baguhin yon, pero may iba namang nagbago eh.
Sunsilk with natural nutrients. With every wash, hair gets better as things get better. And better for you.
Pare, kanin?
Sunsilk, paganda ng pagandang pagbabago from Unilever.
What's behind the power of your smile? Your smile can bridge the difference between us. Your smile can bridge every color or race. That's the power of your smile. Nothing can come between us. Your smile can bridge the difference between us. The power of your smile can change the rules to get me closer to you. One smile, it shows that nothing can keep us from getting close.
Close the gap with Close-Up from Unilever.
All new Close-Up lets you relive the romance, the passion, and the moment. Closing on Love VCD Collection, now available from Magnavision and all new Close-Up. All new Close-Up brings you the romance, the passion, and the moment. Closing on Love VCD Collection, now available from Magnavision and all new Close-Up. All new Close-Up brings you back the laughter, the romance, and the moment. Closing on Love VCD Collection, now available from Magnavision and all new Close-Up.
When you wake up in the evening and the day is shot, find yourself complaining about the things you ain't got. It's just the way that you want it to. Cliche of the day, say la
Break barriers with Close-Up for strong white teeth. Super fresh breath. Close-Up.
Unang gamit ka ng Sunsilk, ang laki agad ng pagbabago.
Uy, parang looking good ah!
Pwes, inaraw-araw ko siya.
Gumaganda!
Only Sunsilk has natural nutrients. With everyday use, hair gets even better.
O ano pare, tayo na ba?
Araw-arawin mo ba naman ako? Sige na nga.
Paganda ng paganda, only with Sunsilk.
Pag inaraw-araw.
From Unilever.
Now, there's a better way to fix your hair. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream. Ipahid lang sa towel-dry hair. Its Bioflex nutrients keep your hair naturally aligned. Kaya buhok ay parang laging bagong suklay. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream.
Excuse me, can we get a photo?
Bigo ka ba sa buhok mo? Kahit lugay, sablay! Now, there's a better way to fix your hair. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream. Lugay ay walang sablay, parang laging bagong suklay. New Sunsilk Soft Combing Cream. Mahilig ka palang sumayaw. Kaya lang, dandruff mo, lumilitaw. Use Cream Silk Hair and Scalp Care Conditioner. Use it after your regular shampoo. Nagbibigay ng precision dandruff control at the same time, nagko-condition ng buhok. For dandruff-free, beautifully conditioned hair.
Conditioner from Unilever. Biglang may cutie? You need Cream Silk Leave-On Hair Moisturizer. Even in the heat, you'll instantly look cool, smell fresh. Mainit pa?
Okay lang.
New Cream Silk Leave-On.
Make me look like $1 million.
Well then, ito ang cat na bagay sa'yo.
Cream Silk Makeover Millionaire Promo. Cut the specially marked sachets, get 4 matching symbols to win 1 million pesos. Sa araw-araw na gamit, you can also win great prizes while enjoying super beautiful hair.
Magka-cut ako everyday para sure winner ako.
Hoy, cut ko ha! Hurry! Promo extended until March 31, 2003 from Unilever. Join the Cream Silk Makeover Millionaire Promo. Cut the specially marked sachets, get 4 matching symbols to win 1 million pesos. Sa araw-araw na gamit, you can also win great prizes while enjoying super beautiful hair. Promo extended until March 31, 2003.
Now, Sunsilk has just gotten better. All new Sunsilk. May sustansyang NutriCare. Kaya buhok ay alagang NutriCare at gandang NutriCare. Gaganda pa ang tubo. New Sunsilk NutriCare.
The Cream Silk Makeover mission sets out again. Nationwide, ang daming nakakadama ng Cream Silk difference.
Nay, masaya buhol-buhol. Kakaibang lambot talaga. Siguro pwede na ako mag-model ng buhok na. Buhok na akong buhok. Smooth.
Iba talaga ang 100% Cream Silk conditioning.
Ading, kasla ako na pa-parlor.
See and feel the difference of a Cream Silk hair makeover.
Ang ganda-ganda ko.
From Unilever.
Sige na please, isang bulaklak lang.
Para maganda ang tubo ng halaman, kailangan ng tamang alaga, no? Parang buhok. Gaganda ang tubo kung tama ang alaga at pakain. Yan ang bago kong discovery.
Pare!
Introducing all new Sunsilk, the only one with NutriCare. It feeds hair the right amount of nutrients. Kaya gaganda ang buhok.
Gaganda pa ang tubo.
Pare, sa akin ba walang mag-aalaga?
Eddie, ako, eto.
Gaganda ang tubo when you feed hair right. New Sunsilk with NutriCare from Unilever.
Ganda ng pare ko, ano? Sa halagang 3 piso.
Be the best me that I can be.
That's great, Leia.
Isa pa pwede?
Sure, after the break.
If I feel like I'm not 100%, it's not good enough for me. Kaya para sa buhok ko, I do more than just shampoo. I use Cream Silk Pro Moist Conditioner after. Only then can my hair be 100% expertly conditioned.
100% super beautiful.
Give it your best. Give your hair 100% Cream Silk Conditioning.
100%!
From Unilever.
Is it Francis? Guess and you can win 1 million pesos with Pond's Beauty Powder. Find out who on August 1.
In every crowd, I look for your face. How could I have noticed only now?
Oh, ba't ang ganda mo today?
I want to touch your face just to know if you're real.
Guess the guy who loves the clear, smooth change Pond's Beauty Powder made on her skin. Is it Diego? Francis? Lee? With a Pond's wrapper, write your guess, your name, and your contact info. Drop it off and you can win 1 million pesos with Pond's Beauty Powder. From Unilever. Is it Lee? Guess and you can win 1 million pesos with Pond's Beauty Powder. Find out who on August 1.